Pool Payday's official game listing includes live head-to-head matches, tournaments, leagues, and free matches. So a game list that stays unchanged can prevent you from seeing the latest available options. Skills games, wanarikiya. If your Pool Payday game list is not refreshing, the quickest fixes are to check your connection, completely close the app, restart your phone, and install any available Pool Payday update. These steps target the most common causes of an app failing to reload current content. First, check your internet connection before changing anything else. Pool Payday uses online features for live matches, tournaments, and other multiplayer content, so a weak or interrupted connection can leave the game list stuck on older information. Skills games wanda. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then reopen Pool Payday. If the list refreshes after changing connections, the problem was likely related to the original network. Next, fully close Pool Payday instead of simply leaving it in the background. Open your recent app screen, swipe Pool Payday away, and then launch it again. This forces the app to start a new session and requests the game information again. If you are using Android, Google recommends restarting the phone, checking for app updates, and stopping an app when it is not responding correctly. Google also lists clearing an app's cache and data as additional troubleshooting steps. Google Help. To Sudan. For Pool Payday, start with the less disruptive options first. Restart the phone and check the Google Play Store for an available Pool Payday update. Do not clear app data or reinstall the game until you are sure your account information is safely connected to the service. On iPhone, open the App Store and check your available updates. The Pool Payday App Store listing shows that previous releases have included bug fixes, performance improvements, and stability updates, so running an outdated version can matter when troubleshooting loading problems. App Store 3. Also check whether the problem affects every game category or only one specific section. Pool Payday supports different modes, including real-time and turn-based play, along with tournaments and leagues. App Store 4. If everything remains frozen after restarting, updating, and changing networks, the issue may be on the service side rather than your phone. In that situation, repeatedly reinstalling the app is unlikely to help. So the practical order is simple. Change your connection, completely restart Pool Payday, restart your phone and check for an app update. If the game list still refuses to refresh, contact Pool Payday support instead of repeatedly deleting the app. If this fixed your Pool Payday game list, leave a like and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.